Hello, today I'll be showing you how to prevent your MacBook from going to sleep. We'll be doing this using the command called Caffeinate. It's already installed in your MacBook, so it should be very simple. So reasons why you might want to do this. You could be running an important task that's going to take a while to finish. Say maybe you are recording a movie or downloading a movie and it's going to take an hour or two. Maybe you are recording a live stream and you want to get up and go get yourself a cup of coffee while it's running. Or you're waiting for an important message or email to come through and you want to respond to it as soon as possible, or you just want to remain online on your Slack or your Teams or whatever application you're using. So to do this, it's very simple. Simply open your terminal, press Command Space, type in terminal, and inside your terminal, type in CAF and press Tab. Your MacBook should also complete it. And then press -D. This will prevent your display from going to sleep. So if you get any notification that comes through, you'll be able to see it. Then press Enter. And just like that, your MacBook will now not sleep. And you can come back to the terminal once you are done and press Control C, and this will end Caffeinate or terminate Caffeinate, and you can go on with your life. So that's simple. I hope this was informative. Till next time.